Hi there, Brian Rooney from Scorpio Marketing Group. In this video I just want to go over a very important feature within the Referrals to Rewards program. So I'm in my back office here of Referrals to Rewards, and so if you come on to this tab here, Builders and Referral Builder, this is where you set up your advertisements. Now, if you've been online for any length of time, you'll know that downline builders are a very important part of traffic exchanges, because all your members or your downlines will see what you are promoting, and if they click on any links within that downline builder, then obviously they will go into your list, and you have the potential to earn commissions from them. Now, Referrals to Rewards goes sort of one step further. I really like this feature, and to be honest, I just stumbled upon this this morning. So I have actually set up some ads. This is what they look like. So it comes up with a heading, the link. So if anyone clicks on it, they will go to my link. And here is my actual ad. So some words and a banner. Here's another one, words and a banner, words and a banner. Now, obviously, you can see these are different size banners, which I like. And if you scroll right down the bottom to one of my sponsors programs, you can see he's got a different size one there again. So it looks like, as I said, I've only started this morning. But from what I'm seeing so far, it looks like you can put any size banner ad in there, and any number of any amount of text. So I just want to go over how you do this, because there is a video here from the admin, but the owner. But I think from my point of view, some newbies might find it just a little bit confusing. So I want to really break this down into a very, very easy steps to follow to set up your banners that look like this. Okay, so how do we do it? All right, so first of all, you need to put in a program name. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to find a program that we want to promote. So I'm just going to one here that I have found. So Ideas Unleashed is a program that I created. It's for sale on Warrior Plus. So I want to put this banner into the downline builder. So first of all, we need a link. So I'll just find that is the link to my splash page. I copy that. So that is the program URL. That is where you want anyone that clicks on your ad, this is where you want them to go. In my case, this is a splash page. Program name is Ideas Unleashed. And then we can enter the details in here. Now, what I have done, just to make things easy for you, is if I go into here and I click edit, and you'll see how I have set this up. So that's what it looks like. Place your free advertisement and the banner. If you click on this code view here, you will see, I'll click on it, how I set it up using HTML code. Now, you can have a lot of fun with this, because you can change all sorts of things around to make it work for you. So what I have done is, I've just got another page here. This is some coding. Now I'm going to make this available underneath the video, so you can actually copy this and play around with it. Just so it's pretty hard to try and copy and paste off a video. So, well, it's impossible. So I will have this code, etc., below the video, that you can copy and paste. So I'll just break this down. So when we go into the different parts, so H1 is heading 1, so it's going to make this look like a heading. Okay, the alignment in the center, so that places it, I'll just go back, that places the advertisement, your text in the center of the advertisement. Okay, the spans, now we'll start the words. So as you can see here, the most comprehensive affiliate marketing ever created. So we've got the most comprehensive affiliate marketing program ever created. Now the reason we split these up is because obviously I have included a different color. Now how do we do that? So how do we get the different colors? How do we change the colors for different words, etc., etc. Alright, so let me just break this down again. So if you just type in the most comprehensive affiliate marketing program ever created without this span style color part of it, it will just print it all in black. Alright, doesn't stand out that greatly. If you, let me go into another one. Let me just go into another one. As you can see, each one I've done a wee bit different. So I've highlighted what I think is important. 1 million visitors is important. The most comprehensive affiliate marketing program is important. Free is important. So you can highlight any part of your text ad to any color you want, or you can change the styles. You can do all sorts of things, but personally I would just keep it nice and basic like this. A bit of a one-liner, one or two liners, two I think is probably enough to make it stand out, and then you play around with the colors to suit yourself. So let's go back to the example. So for this one I wanted the words most comprehensive affiliate marketing program to be a different color. So then you put this code in. Now it's important that we do this correctly. So the word the has then got a space after it. That is so it leaves a space there. Then we put in this code here. And if you do this letter for letter, if you copy and paste this from what will be below this video, and put this in the middle of your wording, wherever you want to change the color. So this part goes at the start of the text that you want to change the color, and then this little part is the end. So basically this part opens the color, this part closes the color. Okay, and then it carries on. Ever created will go back to black. Okay, and then we end the heading. Alright, so we started the heading here, we ended the heading here. Okay, alright, so you might be asking, where do we get the colors from? Okay, now there is, and I will put this link below as well, there is a program there's a program. It's called HTML color codes, and I will put this. I'll just copy it now. Bear with me a second. Just I'll paste it. Oops. Paste it in plain text. Okay, so I will put that below as well. So if you go into this site here, HTML color codes, very simple. You can go down. There's all different colors here. You can't quite see the whole lot yet. They're a bit out of picture. But you click on any one you want. So if you wanted lime, for example, you click on lime, Now there are all the different sort of shades of line, and basically whichever one you want, you just copy that little code there. Okay, and if we go back to here, it is that part there. Okay, you would paste that into there. Okay, now I hope you understand. I hope it's not too confusing. So basically all we're doing here is we are putting in some text, which is a heading, but we want to highlight some important words in a different color, and we do that by putting in a span style. Okay, we open and close a span and put a color in whichever color you decide to choose. And then this bottom part, this part here, once again, let's highlight it. This part here, once again, is the destination URL where I want members to go to, or potential customers to go to, which is a splash page. And this part here, the source, the image source, is this picture here, this image here. Okay, so if you put that whole HTML code into a new one, that is what would happen. So going back to my to this one here, this is the new one that I want to put in. So there is the code, the HTML code to this picture, okay, this banner. So if we copy that, yeah, see this here, that with the open bracket and closed bracket between the A, open and closed, just like that. A means open, slash A means close. So we're going to copy that because this is the banner we want to put in. So we go back to our picture here. So there's the A, and there's the close A. Okay, so you'll see this will change. Okay, so that has changed. Now obviously I don't want the same words because it's for a different ad, so we'll just forget about this part at the moment. That was just for the original example. So I want to change this wording to reflect this banner. So let's pick the brains out of it, the good parts out of this banner. So earn 50% commissions is a really good catchy headline. So let's go with that. So I'm going to do something very, very simple with this one. I'm going to take that out. Oops, sorry. Earn 50% commissions. Let's find something else. Brand new online opportunity, or untapped market. Which one? Untapped market. Alright, so we could say in untapped market. So if we go back to here, and we're going to take those words out. In untapped market. Now this word here, the, which is this part, we'll change that to something new, and we'll go, let's just put wow. So what we've done now is we've changed the to wow. We've now changed the color, and let's what color will we choose? Let's just choose a new color. Let's go, let's try and find a purple, a nice bright purple. Okay, so copy that reference there, go back to the color, including the hashtag. Oh, it's not playing ball today. So we've changed the color. Doesn't matter that that's bold. Change it there. So we've changed the color. And so that is now ready to copy and paste into our, what was it? It was this one here. No, this one here. Let's have to change it. So it was ID Unleashed. There is the link to my splash page, and this is what we want to put in. So because we're using HTML code, we go to Code View. We paste that in there, and then to check that that has loaded correctly, sometimes it's a wee bit of trial and error, just click on the Code View again, and there we go. It shows you the ad with the banner. You can see we changed the color there to purple. The rest of it stays at black. You can change that to any color. If you wanted that a different color, all you would do is quite simply repeat span style. So for argument's sake, if you wanted to change the wow to a different color, we would copy that. We copy that. We would paste it there. It's just being a little bit naughty today. So we're putting in span style because we're going to put it in a new color for this word. So if we leave it just like that, it will stay black. So let's find another color. Let's go back to our color chart. What do we want? Let's do, I don't know, white. Let's try white. Okay, so basic white is all F's. Just copy that. So remember, we're changing the word wow, so we're changing this code here. Okay, I don't know why that's coming up in bold. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so now if we copy that and paste it into our HTML, so if we go into here and delete that and paste the new one, so we've got a new, hang on, there's something we need to put in here. Sorry, there's something very important. When you open up something like this, like a span style, you also need to close it for that particular color. So remember down here we had the close one. That is closed, so we need to copy that. So we would go here, we go dirt, the backslash means close, SPAN dirt. So that's opened and closed the color just for that one word. I really hope I'm not confusing it here. Okay, so let's copy that one. Go back to our editor and let's see if that worked. Yeah, so obviously white's not a good color because the word is there but you can't see it. So let's just plan B. Let's just find another color. Let's like do a red or something. let's go back and find a red, nice bright red. Copy. Let's go back to our editor. Okay, so white didn't work, so we need to change that white code to red. Now something else I just thought of, so that will change wow to red text. Now I just thought of something, so if we had wow earn 50% commissions on the first line and we wanted to put in untapped market on the second line, the way we do that is you have to put a break in. So we open, BR is the initials for break, capitals or lower capital, doesn't matter. That will put in a break, meaning it'll put in the untapped market on the second line. Okay, so let's copy all this now. That needs to go back there. Copy, and let's see if this works. Click on the code view, paste, and let's check out what's happened. Alrighty, now we're getting somewhere. So now you can see it's changed the word wow to red, earn 50% commissions, and on the second line now in untapped market. And if we scroll down, there is your banner. Okay, very easy, huh? So basically it's just a matter of playing around with this code. Alright, but before you push the click the add program button, always go into the code view and make sure you are seeing exactly what how you want it to appear. If you want it all in black, then you don't put those span style colors in there. You just leave it. You would just start off wow, earn 50% commissions, and it'll all come up black. So basically it's just a matter of playing around. Chop and change. You could change anything into, for this one for example, in an untapped market we could make that all capitals. I would strongly suggest copying this code and paste it into a Word document or whatever you use to play around with your documents, so you can do this very, very easily. So as you can see, I've got it open on Word. So we need to copy that whole code, go back, click on the code view, we'll change something, so we need to get rid of all that, put the code in, and let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so there we go. So we've got it in capitals, and there is the banner. Okay, so I'm happy with that now. I have my program name. I have the URL, which is the affiliate link, or it's actually a link to a splash page where people can sign up to purchase my my program, which is IDEAS Unleashed, in which you get a free ebook. And the banner is loaded correctly, so we can click Add Program. Don't click this until you are 100% happy the ad is looking how you want it to look, and make sure it's appealing to your downlines. So we click on Add Program, scroll down, okay, now for some reason This is why it always pays to check. For some reason the banner hasn't loaded. Alright, so we need to click on edit again. Let's pause this a second. So I've just deleted that code. I've obviously made a mistake. Come back to here and copy all that. I can't see any mistakes in there. Let's just try this again. Paste that into there. Okay, it's showing correctly there. So theoretically that should work. Let's see. It's not showing. For some reason it's not showing the banner. Let me just work on this. Okay, so what I've done here is I have copied and pasted the HTML code from one of my other ads, and just because the way I set this this code up originally, it's a wee bit different. So if you have a look here, it's got some different words, some different things in here. So if you have a look at the reference there, which is a splash page, it's got these words here blank. Now we need to take that out. So that's just a all that is when I set up this ad, I use it as a login ad, and this blank section here means that when anybody opens it, it will open in a new page, not on the same page. So it's just a wee bit of coding, jibber jabber. So, but we need to for this program, we just need to get rid of that. So because it's not necessary. Alright, so we need to make it the same as this one. So that, and then we go down to image. The source is correct up to the end of PNG, and then you can see this banner, this section here, this link is added a border, etc. We don't need that, so it needs to end at the after the PNG. So we need to go PNG. It's just that's it. We just need to make it the same as this here, so we don't need that border bit. So as you can see, that's PNG, and then you close off. So that should work now. Copy that new one. For some reason that's not working. Okay, so I found a couple of things. Some of this was highlighted, and also this one here. Whenever we open something like this here, we need to close it off. Otherwise, it just gets, the coding gets all confused. So I'm thinking that we are now all done. And that's the same. That's the same. Let's try this one. That's that. Surely this time. Okay, that's looking good. Fingers crossed this time. Scroll down. No, it's just not. Doesn't want to play ball for some reason. Actually, none of them are. This actually could be a programming error. So, oh, I know what I did. I know it. Sorry. Okay, finally, I've been playing around in the background and I found out what the problem was. So, with HTML coding, as I said, it is a bit of trial and error. So I opened up a couple of other ones just to have a look. and compare what I was doing wrong. So what I didn't have is that heading closing bracket wasn't there. So you can see it at the end here, and it's not on here either. So whenever you open something, like for example, when you open a heading style, when you've finished everything, you have to close it, and the backslash is the closing. So you open it like that, and you close it like that. Now, if you don't close something, the whole thing isn't working properly. That was why it was leaving off the picture. Okay. So it is a wee bit of trial and error, and if you've never done HTML coding before, this will be quite probably very confusing for you. But you just play around with it. I mean, I knew when I started internet marketing all those years ago, I knew absolutely nothing about HTML coding. A lot of trial and error. I actually bought a Traffic Exchange Deepwater Solos, which wasn't in a finished state when I bought it. It wasn't operational, so I sort of basically played around for several weeks learning HTML until it actually all worked. This is just a very, very simple version of HTML, which is basically putting in a heading, changing some colors, and including a banner and a destination URL. So this is a very basic version of it, but it is very, very important that we open and close each part, each section of the HTML code. For example, the span style. So when we change the while, just one word, we change the while wording from white to red. So we open the span style, we put in the red coding, and then you have to close it. The backslash there, and you close the span off. So you open the span and you close the span. Okay? Same thing here. You open the span and you close it. So everywhere you close it here, because we want to earn 50% commissions in a different color. So we open the span style there, put the code in for the purple, I think it was, and then you close it off. Okay? So every time you open something, you have to close it off. Okay? Alright, so I certainly hope I haven't confused you too much. But, so there we have it. Now we have the new ad, my program IDE, AAS Unleashed. It has got the destination URL, it's got a nice bright heading, and a nice big banner, and it's all perfectly saved. So whenever people are looking at my coming in to sign up under my affiliate link, they will see, like here, my sponsors program. I will be their sponsor, so they will see my ads. They'll see all these ads here as they log in. Okay, so that's why I just wanted to show you, because downline builders are extremely effective, and you set them up once and you just forget about them. So when people come in, if they click on them, they will go into your downline, and anything that they buy, you will earn commissions from. So I like this one in Referrals to Rewards because looking at it, and as I said, I've only just started playing with this morning, it looks like you can add as many as you like, which is pretty much unheard of. And you can use any size banners. Normally the banner sizes are restricted to 468 by 60, so it looks like we can use any banner size, because there are all different sizes here. There's big ones, there's 468s, there are PNGs, which are flashing one, which are animated. So I really like this feature of Referrals to Rewards. So all the necessary stuff that I went over, I will put at the bottom of this video for easy reference for you, so you can copy and paste, including the link A, to Referrals to Rewards, B, to the color codes, all the color codes that we found, all the different colors. You can just click on whichever one you're looking for here. You can play around with that. Basically everything you need to set up a downline builder ad in Referrals to all boards. So, as I said, I hope I haven't confused you too much, but have some fun with this. But remember, don't click on the Add Program button until you're 100% what you see is exactly what you want to your customers to see, or potential customers to see. Okay, so that's it from me today. Any questions, I'm always contactable. Just drop me an email, brian@scorpiomarketinggroup.com, and I'll get back to you. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. This is Brian Rooney from Scorpio Marketing Group. You have a great day.